gonna learn an essential Christmas song on clarinet. Every decent clarinet player should know it. Feliz Navidad! First, let's go over some basics. You want your feet flat on the ground. You want your back straight. And you want your clarinet angled in between your knees. Your mouth is still formed in the A-Q shape. And you want your bottom lip like a cushion. A-Q. And making sure your top teeth are touching the top of the mouthpiece. My favorite part about playing Feliz Navidad is we get to explore the big, dark, low notes on the clarinet. This is probably the most beautiful sound in the clarinet, and it's extremely helpful for beginners to learn how to play really good sounding low notes. Let's start on low C, making sure you have a big, dark sound. Let's start by getting a good sound on low C. I will start, and you copy my sound. I'll go first. Good. Now let's add the middle finger on the right hand and play low B. Now add the first finger on top and play low A. I will go first, then you copy me. Good. Now we're going to go down to low G and make sure that your mouth is still in an A-Q shape. Copy my sound, I will go first. This is low G. All three fingers are covering the holes. The first part of Feliz Navidad starts on a low G. Now we're going to play C, B, and C. Let's put it together. Next we play A, 1 and 2, on the right hand. This is the first part to Feliz Navidad. Let's play it together. The next three notes are A, D, and C. I will play it first. Now we're going to add A and G. Let's put that together. From the beginning. Now we just repeat the first 5 notes. The next 3 notes are F, A, and G. Repeat G 2 times. And the next 2 notes are F and E. From the beginning. Here's the chorus. All you do is repeat E, D, C, and A. Now you do the same pattern, but this time you start on D. Now the first pattern again. The last 4 notes to the song are B, C, D, and C. Let's take it from the top. The link to the music is in the description. Feliz Navidad, amigos.